line 6 experiment to see a grape explode in a microwave. Line 6 kitchen microwave.
Glenn, do you want to explain
Science.
the process here?
So we've just taken an ordinary grape and we've cut it, still leaving a little bit of the skin connecting the bottom there.
And what angle between the two halves, roughly?
42.7.
No, I think that's important.
Not 42.7.
Okay,
Not 42.7.
Ready?
Okay, here it goes. Ready?
And go.
5 seconds.
Whoa!
Huh. Basically, unwelded
But
itself.
did you hear the sound? It sounded like the sound came from the microwave itself, not from the grape. So this.
It did. It
No.
It's not like
sounded.
it short
No, it's
circuit
the-
the thing or something.
That was the grape making that noise.
Do you think so? You think
I
so?
didn't know. I was just concentrating on the fire. Yeah.
It was fire.
Well, I think we do